yes, Molly.
And that's why the strength is really on the offside as well. Does she take the gamble?
Oh, yes, Molly.
And through. And Adapatu will be rewarded here. It'll run away for 4. Hayley Jensen, New Zealand international. Outside edge. On the up. And throws away for 4. She's the one.
She's the one.
Slashes again. 4 more. Give her room outside the off stump. She's jumping on it. Oh, she's
wearing 3.
She's got to be stylish at the same time. Over the top. Aggressive opening pair at Adapatu. Beautifully placed. That's going to run away for 4 more. They've got off to a fly here, the Renegades. Drops short and gets the punishment. 2 bounces over the rope. And this is a wonderful start.
The bat.
Gets width. Places it perfectly. 4 more. Oh, is that an outside edge? Yes, it is. Beautifully taken from behind. Nonchalant in the end. That's a good catch.
WBBL, she's always open for them.
Dad!
And taken. Gibson's on fire. Good catch. Good athleticism to get there. Dooley's gone.
With a shot like that.
Yeah, well placed and quick enough for 4. Monu. Does it get there? Yes! Super catch. And straight. Hit it so well. Goes straight again. Straight to Stalenberg, who puts it down. And it rolls for 4. Straight and hit beautifully. She is not walking. Well bowled, Graham. Oh, big edge. Ouch, that hurts. And it runs away for 4. And oh, hitting it so hard. Ricochet rabbit off for 4.
Molly Strano leads it. And it's a strong shot all the way.
For 4. And that 50 partnership comes up as well. Kitty Cat won't be pleased about that. And Webb's got to go. Oh, taken. The good catching continues for the Cane Train. Gibson's got her eyes on 4. And knocks her straight over. New Zealand tours. Wow, she's hit a big high ball there. Don't bother trying to catch that unless you're in the crowd. Big 6. And that's where she goes leg side. Over the top for 6.
Holy smokes.
Smoked it.
She did smoke that.
4 runs off it, 1 to come. That's how to bowl the last over, Nicola Carey. That's brilliant stuff.
And what they're able to do from a bowling point of view.
She is really quick, Ismail.
This is the contest I'm looking forward to.
Gives her some width. Villani just jumps all over it. Is the 3rd delivery. So the South Africans know each other so well. Lizelle Lee clips it off of the toes for 4. Fine enough there. Is that going to run away for 4? Yes. The Katie Martin was looking forward to. Width. Hammers her for 4.
Oh, they stacked.
Played superbly on occasions, isn't she? Oh, an outside edge. That'll run away for 4. Awesome at 138 appearances for Fulham. Oh, it's got a wicket. Lizelle Lee can't believe it. Gets some width. Jumps all over it, Elise Villani. Moves into the 20s.
Nick Carey.
Oh, down, Cody.
Gets a width. Creates it herself. Oh, knocks her over. was a quick one.
She hit her bat onto the stumps.
No, I think chopped on.
Hammers her straight. Take that. 4 runs. Oh, there's a big wicket. Beautifully called, Katie Martin. She knocks over Dupree.
On over a lot of professional cricketers, and that's hold in
6.
I was sitting, but she seemed to be unhappy with the decision that the umpire had made, I believe, whether or not it was byes or runs. So she was quite animated, chatting to the umpire.
There's no doubting that. 4 off the first delivery. So Molyneux now stripes her strong, straight, and over.
So far on this pitch.
Oh, shout and gone. And that's why she came into the attack, because she wanted to get a wicket. And finds the gap. Terrific shot first at the wicket.
Shot.
Jumps all over it, gets 4. Well played, dynamic on her feet. Been good tonight, Heather Graham. Of course she is. Such a quality player.
So yeah, I just sort of, my whole outfit actually fits in that bum bag, which isn't surprising.
Oh, we've put the headset on you and there's a wicket fallen, unfortunately, Junior. And straight away, Ruth Johnson shows her aggressive. So here's Sarah Coyte. Over the top again. Just slashes away. I just felt that they were.
At 6.
At 6. That is a great shot. Now they only need 4 to win. Oh, now just lobs it in the air and taken. So Molyneux takes the catch. Coyte gets a wicket. And there's the victory for the Cane Train. It rolls on. It starts the festival here in Hobart in style. The win that they had to get. They got some big pluses. Good form for Heather Graham.